ChatGPT just launched this crazy feature and I want to show it to you. You can now at mention custom GPT. So if I'm typing into ChatGPT and I'm like, hey there, and this is just regular ChatGPT 4. So it says, how can I assist you? So here's an example. Maybe I'm writing a journal entry in ChatGPT, right? And I want to save it to Notion. So what I can do is let's just get a journal entry. So this is John Steinbeck has this record of how he wrote Grapes of Wrath called Working Days. So I'm going to take one of his journal entries from May 31st, 1938, and I'm going to copy it. And then I'm going to paste it in here. Here's a journal entry I just wrote. So I'm just going to give it to ChatGPT, right? And and then what I can do is normally like I'd have to go like, copy paste it into Notion over here. What I can do instead is I can do at Notion GPT. And this is Notion GPT is a little GPT I built. It's custom GPT, uses Zapier to connect to into my Notion. And so what I can do is say, hey, can you summarize the journal entry above and put it into my journal? Right? And we're still in ChatGPT. We're interacting with the custom GPT from ChatGPT, and it creates our little summary, and then it's going to add that summary into Notion. And it says, please confirm. Yes, go ahead. I'm going to hit confirm. So now it says the summary has been successfully added to your journal. So if I go to it, it looks like we've got it. So, and if we open it up, we've got the journal entry in here. And so one, it's super cool just to be able to connect ChatGPT to Notion, but that was already a thing. The really interesting thing is we did that from inside of ChatGPT using a custom GPT that we app mentioned. Like if I go like, I don't know, here's another one. I have a custom GPT called Dreamweaver. And that GPT interprets my dreams. So I could be like, hey, can you interpret this journal entry as if it was a dream and create an image? So it's going to start interpreting the dream. And again, this is a custom GPT that I built to do a specific kind of dream interpretation and to visualize it. And now we have an image of this dream, or it's really a journal entry from John Steinbeck, but whatever. And now the cool thing is, let's go back and let's just add Notion. Can you take this dream interpretation and image and add it as a journal entry in my Notion? And can you do it as, let's see what the date is going to be, as the date June 1st, let's say 1938. Let's see what it does. All right, it says it's been added. That is friggin' sick.